Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying bank details precisely, account number, and IFSC. Do this because a single-digit error blocks linking. Once done, check your KYC and PAN linkage. Banks reject unverified accounts. Make sure your phone number matches the bank record, otherwise SMS OTPs fail. Finally, update the Google Pay app and give required permissions. Without SMS and contact access, the app cannot verify your account. You're now ready to attempt adding the bank again. Now, you initiate linking inside Google Pay and pick your bank from the list to avoid manual entry mismatches. When prompted, authorize with the SMS OTP or UPI PIN. This confirms bank-side consent, and you must never share those codes. If an error appears, read the code and message. It tells you why the link failed, such as pending KYC or network timeouts. Keep the app open and stable internet during verification, because interruptions cause incomplete linking that triggers errors. Finish by confirming the small verification deposit or successful UPI ID creation. That proves the account is linked. If linking still fails, clear the app cache and data, then reinstall. This removes corrupt temporary files that block verification. You can also retry on another device or network to rule out local issues. If problems persist, contact your bank support and provide the exact error code and screenshots. That speeds resolution because banks can trace failed authorization attempts on their systems.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.